Hey everyone, it's Dr. Deanna Carroll Smith, and this is a quick tutorial on how you can receive vision rebate. When I say vision, healthcare savings from going to the eye doctor if you have contacts. And once again, if you have AccuV. I do this every year, and so I love it because they send me a prepaid Visa card. I think last year it was like $250, and I think it's going to be $250 again. So I received mail today and I want to share with you how I do this. And so this is I'm going to show you some private information here. So I got this in my email today. It says my AccuV rewards have been approved. And you're like, okay, what does that mean? Well, what I want to share with you as well, and I'm going to show you the advertisement here once again. AccuV, for the last couple years that I have known and have gotten the AccuV contacts, they have a rewards program. And depending on the type of AccuV contacts you buy and the quantity, you can get a rebate of up to $250. So here is the rebate information. And I want to show you what the website looks like. Now, it does give you very, very simple information on how to submit the claim. So one, you purchase your AccuV and you send to them, you can send it either in the mail, you have to do mail too. So you go to their website and you're going to take a picture of your receipt, like from what you received from the wherever you purchase your AccuV. Mine was at my optometrist office. So the receipt that I purchased it, when that box of AccuV comes in, they're going to ask me for some numbers on it, and I submit that as well, and then I mail that to them, and then they send me a prepaid Visa card. And so here is what that rebate looks like. You have, like I said, you get your receipt, and then you go to their website and put all that information in that I just gave you. Here is their website. You create an account, which I already have. I've already logged in, and I'm going to my rewards right here because it won't let me get started. Uh-oh. Let me see if I can just log back in. There we go. Okay. So it says see all available rewards up to $250, which I think that's what I'm receiving. So see available rewards. Oh, those are the available rewards. I'm sorry. Which I already have. So I get AccuV Oasis one day. Which one? I get this one. And I did a whole year supply. And so I get $250. But I did want to show you how I submitted this. And so let's see here. Get started. And so here are mine. They're not going to let me get started because I've already done it. But you would scan and submit with your phone your receipt. And once you receive your AccuV, the numbers on the box is very, very simple. Then you mail that to them. They receive that. And then in my email, I will receive a prepaid Visa card. It's not a scam. It's money. So for me, I took a little time. Like I always tell you guys, you can save a lot of money by doing little things. A $250 Visa card. And guess what? My husband doesn't have to know about it because it's going to go to my email and it's prepaid. No, he will know about it. I'm just kidding. So anyhow, or am I? So here we are with the detailed information of the one that was just approved. This is from last year. As you can see, like I said, I do this every year. And then this is the one from this year. And let's see if I can go to my detail information. It says they confirmed it, which is why I received the email. And in 14 days, I will be receiving a Visa card prepaid in my email that I can upload to my phone and purchase things online or wherever I want to purchase. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. And this is my Tip Tuesday. Well, not whatever day you're watching this, but this is my tutorial on how to save even in healthcare with your vision, with your contacts. And there may be others. And so take the time to do that, guys. You can save a lot of money or get money back and go shopping. So I hope this helps someone today. Please share. Also, if you ever want to work with me and want to be a part of my healthcare cost formula coaching program, where we're not just talking about vision and prescriptions and appealing. We're talking about all the things that I have done over the years to help me save on healthcare costs, put money back in my pocket, not leaving money on the table, slaying my medical bills, kicking my medical bills butts. So anyhow, if this is you, please share this information. Once again, if you want to work with me, info@DeannaCarrollSmith.com. Talk to you later. Bye.